Hey, what's up everybody? This is Don Studios, back with another video. I will be doing way more videos in the future with this channel. It's just I've been really busy with the holidays and stuff like that, so I just wanted to make this quick video of me inking, and I'm also be doing probably a little bit other stuff, but mainly just inking for this. Just want to give updates on what I've been doing. I will be doing a lot more tutorial videos, definitely. Starting 2020, I've just been very busy. Yeah, new things for this channel. I'm currently working on a comic right now. It's really just a one-shot, really just coming up with ideas for it and stuff like that. So I'll give more information about that, and just to make this thing visually pleasing, I'm drawing one of my main characters. Her name is Corona Orban. Just doing a little holiday, end of the year sketch in the yukata. It didn't really take me that long to sketch. I normally sketch pretty fast. Just mainly trying to get better my style and my work and stuff like that. But if you guys need help with anything, please leave in the comments below. Any tutorials, because the best way to learn is to teach, is what I believe. So I'd give any advice that I have for any people looking for anything that you might struggle on. So yeah, just comment down below what you guys need help with, and I'd be happily make a video about it in the future. As for goals for this channel, just start with the basics. Right now I'm really just trying to find people, a good fan base, or people who like my work to come follow. Basically, I'm not trying to look for like 1,000 or anything. Just a couple hundred people, just to start the channel off, to get everything, the feels for it. So if you do enjoy my work and my content, and you can follow if you want. I do a lot of different things. I've been recently getting into I really like teaching things that I probably at least have a little bit of insight on. So I will be teaching mainly about portrait sketches, because I'm really good at those. But I'm also right now I'm actually working on doing backgrounds and stuff like that. So those videos will definitely be coming soon. So yeah, just please leave a like, a comment down below. Subscribe if you enjoy the video. All the basic stuff. And I definitely will be coming back with more stuff. Thank you everyone who stayed to the end of the video. It means a lot to me that you guys stayed throughout the video. Like, subscribe if you like, and I'm out.